We are now at FanExpo. I am Armor Sally, and I'll be walking around the floor in this cosplay for quite a bit. And we're gonna check out the con, we're gonna see what we find, especially for shopping, and hopefully you guys can see what FanExpo is all about here in Toronto, Canada.
Everything changes.
Life.
And that is part of how many people are constantly going in and out of this con. Just goes on and on and on of unlimited people. FanExpo is very busy. This is my cosplay medic! Thank you! On the corner of Cherry Street, we would walk on the beach in our bare feet. We were both 18 and felt.
Life.
That is the end of FanExpo. I hope you guys got to see a little glimpse of the con. We're only here for one day, but it is a weekend-long thing, so if you do get your pass, it's from Thursday to Sunday. So it's a lot of things to see, and we didn't get to do it all, but I'm sure if you search up FanExpo, you'll find a lot more stuff that we missed out on, and celebrities. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Reiyume Chibi is out.